guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are cleaning and organizing the freezer and fridge. Right here I just have some before shots of what it looked like before I organized it. It was just really chaotic with so much stuff just thrown in there. Right here I started with the freezer, just started taking everything out just to see what I had in there, what needed to get thrown out, what was expired, things like that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is my brand new channel. I'm going to be doing some cleaning, organizing, maybe some hauls in between, just some of my lifestyle things I would like to share with you. I just did a nice quick thorough clean with some disinfectant wipes. I know for a freezer you don't want to keep it open for too long, so that's what I did there. Now I'm just putting everything back into place after I've gone through the items that I don't need inside the freezer. These were just baskets I already had, so my daughter's chicken tenders, chicken nuggets are going in there. A bin for some ice cream, just everything to be a little bit more easy access, a little cleaner. Now right here we're just starting on the side door of the fridge, just taking all the condiments out. We had so many condiments, different ones, some that we just don't really gravitate towards anymore, so those needed to get tossed out, got rid of those. Right here I'm just spraying down some wipes. If you saw my daughter and my husband, they're in the background right there, checking to see how Mama's doing with her first video. Just wiping it down, again with some disinfectant wipes. Trying to do a quick but thorough clean because I don't want to leave my fridge open for too long. Also my dog's there in the background. Just like in the freezer, I'm going through all the items just to see what's needing to get thrown out, what's expired, what do we use more of. Just going through it all, wiping down some of the condiments as well. Write down in the comments below what condiments do you have to have in your fridge at all times. Ours has to be ketchup and some tapatio hot sauce. putting all of the condiments back inside of the fridge, just kind of rotating things, trying to make it a little bit more accessible to being used. Also, I decided to grab some of the, we also have like tea and juice inside the big part of the fridge. So right there on that top shelf, I wanted to put those there just because those are the beverages that we reach for, and it's just going to be a little bit easier to grab it from the door instead of bending over and grabbing it inside of the fridge. Now I am in the main fridge area, just going through, taking everything out once again. All those containers we had so many containers with just leftovers, or my husband had some of his breakfast sausages stored in there, so I decided to take those out and put them inside Ziploc bags as well, so that they're just a little bit more, there's a little bit more space inside the refrigerator. I'm just giving these drawers that store the vegetables and fruits a nice good wash. They needed to be wiped down pretty good. They had some old food in there. And I'm going to also begin to wipe down the refrigerator. I sprayed it with some of my method cleaner, and then I decided to grab a sponge just to get a little bit more of a deep clean in there, and just start wiping it all down with a cloth towel. And then I also used a disinfectant wipe just to make sure everything was nice and clean. In the comments below, write down what are some of your favorite cleaning products to use when you do something like this, like if you clean your refrigerator or what type of products. What are your favorites to use for that space? Now I'm just adding all of the food back in there. Some of those items, I'll insert a clip, a photo of everything that I found to kind of organize things. I have that rack there, and I set the tortillas on top of it, and then at the below area that I put all of the meats, like the sausage meat, sandwich meats, things like that. And then these other containers, the clear ones there with the ginger ale, that's meant for like your soda cans, but I also decided to use them for my daughter's snacks because she likes her little snack pouches there. I also got another one of those white containers for my other daughter. She has a little bit more mature snacks, so she has all of her snacks in there. It just looks a lot more cleaner, a lot more organized. Same with that basket I found, and I just decided to put all the cuties and some limes, lemons in there, just because we go through a whole cutie bag within a few days. So I just decided to take that out of the mesh bag that it comes with and just replaced it with the basket. I'm just putting all the veggies and the fruits back into the drawers, but now that they're in their own Ziploc bags, it just looks a lot better and cleaner. Just going to be adding everything else back into the fridge. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just doing a little overview of how everything turned out. I think it looks clean. I do need to go to the grocery store to fill up some stuff because we were running low on certain things. But overall, I like how it turned out. It's nice and organized. It's easy to grab everything now. So just stay motivated, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.